how to view Snapchat message history. So if you want to view Snapchat message history, then first of all open up your Snapchat application, and then after opening, now you can simply go for chats, which is on the bottom left, and then you can simply choose a chat. So I'll be choosing this Team Snapchat, and if you simply scroll downwards, here you will have all of that history of this chat. So if you have simply choose to delete your chats within 24 hours or after viewing, then if you have chosen after viewing, then you won't have that message history. But if you have chosen 24 hours, then your chat will be present there for 24 hours and you can see that history. So to set that settings, you can simply hold on to that chat, and then here you will have chat settings, and under your chat settings you will have delete chats option, and under delete chats you will have this 24 hours after viewing or after viewing. So if you have chosen after viewing, then your chats will be deleted immediately after viewing. But if you have chosen 24 hours, then it will be there on your chat for 24 hours, and you can simply open up the chat and you can view all of that. So that's it. That's how you can have the message history on your chats, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.